In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Balatro multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. By default, Balatro is not a multiplayer game, so if we visit the Steam store page, you can see it here labeled as only single player, and that is the case when you open the game as well. So in order to get multiplayer in Balatro, you will have to install mods. This mod, called the Balatro multiplayer mod, gives you the multiplayer functionalities, and it allows you to compete against your friends. In fact, they have a website with leaderboards where you can compete against your friends and other random people online. As you can see here, people have ranks, and you can climb up this leaderboard with every win that you have, or you can just use it to play against your friends more casually. Either way, the mod is available on GitHub, so look for Balatro Multiplayer. You can visit the official website to get more information here when you click Get Started, or just visit the GitHub page. Once you visit this page, you will notice that you need two things. First, Steam Modded, so go to this link here by clicking on Steam Modded, and also Lovely Injector. You will download all of these tools. Some of them will be installed by just running a specific file, while others you will have to drag and drop and extract them in a certain location. So first, let's talk about Lovely. For Lovely, you will drop the version.dll file where your Balatro game folder is located. If you don't know where Balatro is installed, open up Steam, right-click Balatro, go to Manage and browse Local Files. Upon doing this, you will see a folder like this, and you just drop the version.dll file that you download from GitHub here. Once you drop the version.dll file here, next, you will create a new folder on App Data, Roaming, and Balatro. So go to App Data, Roaming, and then find Balatro. Inside, you will have to find the mods folder. If you don't have a mods folder, then you can just create one right now. Once the mods folder has been created, you will drop Balatro multiplayer-main and smods-main in here. These files will refer both to Steam Modded and Balatro Multiplayer that you download from GitHub. Now, when you launch Balatro, there should be a Mods button in the main menu. You can click it to go to the Multiplayer tab, configure everything, change your username, and click Play. Now you will see Multiplayer, and you can join a lobby and play together. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.